Welcome the students of class 6. Today I am going to discuss another subunit from your social science civics book, and the name of the subunit is What Does Diversity Add to Our Life? It is belong to the chapter 1, Understanding Diversity. And today in this subunit we will see how diversity affects our life. So let's begin the subunit. In the previous class we have discussed that how the two friends Samir Ek and Samir Do are different, though they become friends in a traffic signal. So do you have friendship like Samir Ek and Samir Do? I think yes. You have also the friends from different ethnicity, different social and political backgrounds, maybe some other states. But though you are friend, you share your thoughts with each other, you learn new things from each other. Why this thing happened? That one thing you must remember, that when we make friendship, so what is the main traits of friendship? When we make friendship, we just follow some traits that attract you, and as well as something that's similar to you. But when the two friends are totally different than each other, as their languages are different, their food habits are different, their clothing, their states are different, and their religions also different, how can they, and their economic status also, but those things are not came in between the friendship. Those things are not the barriers of their friendship. How friendship happened between the two persons belong to a different background? Actually, we found something new between themselves. And where did the something new came into you? It is actually came from the diverse background from where they belongs. So yes, because though you are different in many ways, but you learn new things in the time of interaction with your friends. So that's why you become so much happy. Always we wanted happiness. So when we interact with our friends, we become very much happy. So that's why it is easy to make friendships with a person belongs to another socio-economic background. It is not a barrier between us. Okay. And how did those people belong to different diverse backgrounds lived in India? Let's check. That first make this type of diagram. This is called a mind map. So if you make this type of mind map, it is very easy to remember those things. That diversity, if I divide it into three portions, that diversity in many ways. I have given just three main example of diversity in India, such as the diversity in food. So diversity in food, that rice and fish in main staple food of Bengalis, as well as is the main food of Kerala, and roti and dal, it is in Punjab, and such as dosa and sambar, it is all these things written by the people of South India. And the momo, it is also famous in Northeast Indian states as well as in Ladakh. So in this way we have seen that the food habits are very much different in different part of the India. In the similar way, the dress, all the dresses also different, such as salwar kameez in Punjab, the kurta in Punjab, and male attires, and the female attires in Bengal, the sari in a special manner. It is a traditional dress of Bengal, as well as Indian, the Bengali style dhoti, it is also the traditional dress of male. Lokpa, it is a female attire of Ladakh, as well as the Ghagra Choli is a female attire of Rajasthan, and the male members of Rajasthan, they wear a turban with a special type of dress, and dhoti or angvastra in South India. These are also their traditional dresses, the male dresses. So in this way we have seen that different part of India, different food habits and different was famous, and people wear different dresses in different part of the India. In a similar way, number 3, it is a festival. Okay, so in this festivals also, in different part of the country, different festivals celebrated by the people of India, such as in Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra today celebrated all over India as well as in the world, also in the other countries, but it is mainly it is a very local festival, very famous in the state of Odisha, in the eastern part of India, as well as the Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa actually the festival of Maharashtra. The people celebrated the festival, as well as the Ganesh Chaturthi. You know that the big Ganesh idol worshipped in the Maharashtra. So this is the famous festival, Gudi Padwa and Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra, as well as Onam. Onam is a famous festival of Kerala. In Bengal, the Bengali New Year, it is also the festival of Bengal. It is the indigenous festival, and as well as the Durga Puja, it is most famous. It is mostly celebrated in Bengal. The Lohri, it is a folk festival in Punjab. Other festivals also there, like in Bihu in Assam. So in this way, different parts of the country, different festivals, different food habits, and the dressing sense also followed by the people. But though these people are Indian, all these people belong to our country. So this is diversity. So that's why it is diversity. And look carefully, those and some of these festivals, the dresses and foods are very familiar to you. Why? Because this diversity, because we interacted with each other living in the same country for a long time, so we accept the dress, the culture, the festivals, the languages, as well as the food habits of different parts of our country. That's why you are some of you love to eat momos, but those momos are not belong to Bengal. But some people, they love to eat dosas, but dosa are not the food of Bengal. It is from South India. Some people, and today in our locality it is, and in a salwar kameez, it is very common attire, but it is not actually the dress of Bengal. In this way, all the different things practiced in our locality also and in our life also. So that's why in this way the diversity adds to our life. So they are diverse, but all this diversity actually adds to our life. In this way, all the diversity adds to our lives. And the other way, if these things are not happen, if we cannot accept all the diverse features of our country, what happened then? I think most of you like to read the stories about the detectives, adventures, as well as ghosts. And imagine that all the storytellers, all the writers, they raised in a same type of environment, in a same place, in same neighborhood, with same type of food they ate every day, like fish and rice, the same type of clothes they wear, like uniforms. All the people, all the writers, they wore the same type of clothes, they read in the same type of school. Then what would happen? Then their stories also very much boring, and the stories would be similar. So then those stories would not give us any enjoyment. So that's why diversity is very necessary for our life. If everything is similar in our society, all the people lived in a similar way, and speak the same language, live in the same environment with the same type of clothes they wear every day, like uniforms, they eat the same type of food, eat every day from the morning to night. So what happened? Our lives become very much boring. We cannot live a life like that, like a machine, like a robot. So we are human beings. So that's why diversity is very much important to our life. And diversity make our life beautiful, and it's add lot to our life. Though we don't understand those languages of different parts of the country, those places are also very far from our place. But though we practice their cultures, their festivals, we also celebrated Rath Yatra, Diwali, we also wear the dresses of the Punjab, the kurta, pajama, all these, and the salwar kameez, all these things, and like in the dhoti in the South Indian way. And sometimes we eat those foods like dosa, the momo, etc., the puri, the dal roti, but those are not belongs to Bengal. In this way, diversity adds to our life. We love to eat those foods, we love to wear those dresses, we purchase them, we love to celebrate those festivals, and also speak those languages. Sometimes some people also speak on these languages. It gives them great pleasure. So in this way, the diversity adds to our life. I hope you have understood this subunit. Next class we will discuss another subunit. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.